Live, local, late breaking. From the WHIO Broadcast Center in Dayton, this is News Center 7.
Trial was supposed to start today for an accused killer in Springfield, but a change in plea has led to a new delay in his case.
News Center 7's John Bedell has been following this Miami Valley murder mystery for years. He spent part of his day in Clark County talking with the victim's mom about the long legal road taking another detour.
Thomas Albert was supposed to go on trial Monday for Candace Prunty's murder, but trial's been postponed again. That's because Albert's lawyer has filed a not guilty by reason of insanity plea. He suggested in the same filing Albert is incompetent to stand trial. So now the case in court will pause so doctors can evaluate Albert and put their findings in a written report for the judge to review and make a ruling. Prunty's mom, Patricia Beard, has previously told me she has to prepare emotionally for each court hearing and says she'll keep showing up, including for the eventual trial.
When I think about it, sometimes I feel like I won't be able to, but I'm standing in for my baby. I'm her voice.
I talked to Patricia at her Springfield apartment off camera Monday. She said the news of the latest delay was too difficult for her to talk about on camera. But she told me the detective and prosecutor on her daughter's case came to her home in person to give her the news. Court records I checked show this is at least the 6th trial in Albert's case that's been rescheduled. On Monday, Patricia told me about the emotional toll, saying, "I just want to get off this roller coaster." Thomas Albert is Candace Prunty's ex-boyfriend. Springfield police say in 2015 he walked into Candace's house and shot her several times while her boys were at school. All because detectives say he was upset Candace had broken off their short relationship.
And News Center 7's John Bedell joins us live. John, Albert is already in prison for an unrelated attempted murder in Columbus. He's not eligible for parole until that case is over. That's 2045.
Yeah, that's the first time he'll be up for parole in that case, Gabby, 20 years from now. And in this case, currently, just before this new plea, Albert told the court he wants to fire his lawyer. He fired the first 2 defense lawyers he had in this case. Now the court will have to decide on his 3rd request to do that. That'll be separate from the decision the judge eventually makes on whether Albert's competent to stand trial.
All right, John, and Prunty's family has waited a long time, 6 years between her death and formal charges against the suspect, and now coming up on another 4 years for a trial. Thanks, John.